GeoSierra has made this short video to explain how the Bolan Hodder shales cannot be commercially enhanced by current hydraulic fracturing technology. At the Preston New Road site, there are extensive slick-and-slide bedding planes throughout the Bolan Hodder shale formation. The bedding planes are near horizontal, dipping at around 20 degrees towards the west. The slick-and-sided bedding planes are smooth, highly polished, and have extremely low angle of friction of around 6 degrees. An induced vertical hydraulic fracture will propagate both horizontally and vertically until they reach a slick-and-sided bedding plane. At that time, the injection should stop. If the injection is continued, bottom hole pressures rise sufficiently to lift the overburden and open the near horizontal bedding planes, allowing frac fluids to propagate. In 2018, this is what Cadrilla did on the PNR-1Z well. They allowed the bottom hole pressures to rise significantly greater than overburden, thus lifting the overburden. The shale is not being fractured anymore and heightens the risk of induced seismicity. Note the induced seismicity moves towards the east because the frac fluids are now migrating along bedding planes that are open and up dip to shallower depths. In 2019, the UK regulatory agencies were warned that if they didn't impose bottom hole pressure limits or have tiltmeter monitoring. Now in 2019, the same procedure was repeated. You'll see where the injection sleeves are, and the induced seismicity is all towards the east because the frac fluids have been allowed to migrate along open bedding planes due to the excessive bottom hole pressures during the hydraulic fracturing. So in other words, they haven't fracture enhanced the shales for gas production. What they've done is injected fluids into the subsurface at high pressure, lifting the overburden, opening near horizontal bedding planes, and allowing those frac fluids to migrate considerable distances, in this case over 800 meters, towards the east, up dip on these open, highly stress sensitive bedding planes. Thank you for your attention.